Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact iPhone unavailable message and take note of any retry countdown. Plug the phone into a computer with Finder or iTunes and make sure it has at least 50% battery. You'll need your Apple ID and password, so keep them handy. Once connected, force restart the iPhone to enter recovery mode. This step triggers the device-to-computer handshake that allows restore or update. Do it now so the next steps can proceed. Once in recovery mode, choose Update in Finder or iTunes to attempt a reinstall without erasing data. If update times out or fails, select Restore, which will erase the device. You need to monitor progress bars and accept any prompts. The computer will download firmware and install it, which can take 10-60 minutes. Make sure the USB connection stays secure and the computer won't sleep. After the process completes, the iPhone will restart and present set. After restart, follow on-screen setup. Sign in with your Apple ID to remove activation lock and set a new passcode. You'll want to restore from backup if available. Make sure iCloud or local backups are recent. If activation lock blocks you, contact Apple support with proof of purchase. If the restore repeatedly fails, switch to another USB cable or computer, or enter DFU mode for a deeper restore. If everything works, verify settings and back up immediately to avoid repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.